So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Pixel 6, and I am super excited to check this phone out. Now, it currently comes in 3 different colors and sells for $599, putting in that mid-range price point. The color options are Stormy Black, Sorta Seafoam, and Kinda Coral. Now, I went with Stormy Black because the pictures I've seen online for that color look really good, so we'll see if that holds true as I get it out of the box. Now, we got a couple pull tabs here we got to rip off, and then we'll be good to go. And here we go, the moment of truth. Wow. Okay, yeah, this phone looks incredible. Design-wise, it's going to be a big step up from the Pixel 5 and 5a. I can tell you that much just looking at it. Now, we'll see what else comes in the box here. We got the charging cable, pretty basic. Looks like we got a nice blue user manual, which is actually wrapped really nice too. Nice work, Google. Yep, kind of just, all right. I'm gonna put all this to the side so we can take a look at the phone now. Okay, so it has an all glass design, right? You've got Gorilla Glass Victus. It's got, you know, an aluminum frame, but the phone just looks incredible. I'm actually gonna compare it to the Pixel 5a, which released a couple months ago in a second, but we are gonna power this on. Okay, so to save some time, I skipped through this startup screen, and the first thing I like to do when I turn a phone on is check out some of the wallpapers. I gotta say the stock wallpaper on this looks really nice, but we'll see what else is on here, right? And, you know, as far as screen size goes, this phone's got a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, which looks really nice, and I already mentioned it's got the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on it. Pretty awesome. All right, we'll go with this green one right here, why not? All right, cool. All right, so some pretty cool stock wallpapers. Okay, the next thing I wanted to do was quickly compare it to the Pixel 5a because this phone just came out. It sells for $450, so it's a little bit cheaper. Now, you're going to notice a huge design difference here. You know, the Pixel 5a's got the aluminum back. Camera is only 12 megapixels. You're getting up to a 50 megapixel on the Pixel 6. And I got to say, I really like the design on this Pixel 6, man. It looks incredible. You know, and screen size, you know, on the Pixel 5a, it's 6.34 inches, a little bit smaller. And if you wanted to get a Google phone, it's not that the Pixel 5a is bad or anything. It is a really nice phone. Both phones are going to have really good battery life as well, which I'll touch on. But you get this premium design on this Pixel 6, man. It looks really nice. Now, I want to check out the sound quality on it, so I'm going to let like a 1-minute clip play for you guys because I'm curious to, you know, hear how loud it is. So I'm going to let it run and let's check this out.
As long as I can remember, I have looked for an equal. One who could push me. One who could surprise me. One who could even beat me. Yet all I found is disappointment. Finally give me what I desire. Yes, we will.
And before we get more into this, I want to recommend everyone check out the Binance US app. Now, this is my go-to cryptocurrency trading app that I highly recommend checking out, especially if you're not in crypto right now. Now, cryptocurrency is a great way to make money using your phone. So if you guys want to learn more about Binance US or get started, we'll have some bonus sign-up and resource links in both the description and comments. Now I wanted to talk about storage for a second. So the nice thing about the Pixel 6 is that it comes with 128 gigabytes, which is a lot of space. And we're kind of starting to see this be the new norm, especially with the new iPhone 13 series going from 64 to 128, which is nice. Another thing about this phone is it's got a 4614 mAh non-removable battery. So battery life is going to be really good on this phone because it is on the Pixel 5a and it's basically close to the same size. But yeah, the design, I just want to hold up to the camera for you guys because, I mean, the phone looks incredible. You know, I mean, just a huge step up in, design. Now, the next thing I want to do is run a quick gameplay checking out the performance. This phone's got the new Google Tensor chip in it, so I want to see how fast it can run this game Left to Survive, which is just a really cool third-person zombie shooter. So I'll play this for a little bit, and then we'll kind of close things out. Okay, so as far as my first impressions go for the Pixel 6, it's probably everything I could have imagined and more. I mean, the phone looks really nice. It's a huge step up in design from the Pixel 5 and Pixel 5a with, the all glass and just how it looks. The screen looks really nice as well. It's a little bit bigger than the Pixel 5a, and like I'm saying, the Pixel 5a is not a bad phone. It's a little bit cheaper than, spending the $600. You can get it for $450. It's got aluminum on the back, so it'll be a little bit more drop friendly. But I'll tell you what, I'm just really looking forward to putting some more videos out on the Pixel 6 because, I can see this being just a big step up for, Google with these Pixel phones. I mean, I think it just looks incredible. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment below if you have any questions about this new phone. Smash that like, and we'll see you in the next video.